Hey! In front of me is Lenovo Tab 48, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications on this device. Firstly, access Play Store, click on the search bar and type DevCheck. After that, you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. As you can see, from this app you can find out all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, and even sensors or camera. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!